Good morning, students. It gives me great pleasure to talk to you students through video presentations like this as usual. In this video presentations, we'll continue with some more problems on tangents and normals. Okay, let me take the first problem meant for today. Find a point on y is equal to x minus 2 whole square at which, the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points, let us say 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 4. Okay, answer. Let the required point be x1 comma y1. Let it be. I am supposed to find x1 and y1. Okay. Now y is equal to x minus 2 the whole square. Therefore, dy by dx is 2 into x minus 2. Therefore, slope of the tangent at, just listen, slope of the tangent at x1 comma y1 will be is equal to dy by dx at x1 comma y1, which is 2 into x1 minus 2. Just listen, 2 into x1 minus 2. Therefore, now this tangent is parallel to the chord joining 2 comma 0 4 comma 4. Therefore, the slopes are equal. Therefore, here it is 2 into x1 minus 2. Here it is 4 minus 0 by 4 minus 2. Am I right? y2 minus 1 by x2 minus x1. Therefore, this is reduced to 2. Therefore, x1 minus 2 is equal to 1. Implies x1 is equal to 3. Now, x1 comma y1, let me continue here, is a point on the curve. Therefore, y1 is equal to x1 minus 2 the whole square. Therefore, this is equal to, substitute the corresponding value. What do I get? 3 minus 2, that is 1 square. Therefore, required point is 3 comma 1. Let me repeat the whole process. Find a point on y equal x minus 2 whole square at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 4. Let the required will take care of the whole condition at which the tangent is parallel to so and so. That's the meaning. Okay, I assume the point to be x1 comma y1. Now y equal to x minus 2 whole square implies dy by dx is 2 into x minus 2. Slope of the tangent x1 comma y1 is dy by dx at x1 comma y1. Therefore, 2 into x1 minus 2. Now this tangent is parallel to the chord joining these two. Therefore, the slopes are equal. That is, slope of this tangent equal to slope of this chord. Okay. Therefore, 2 into x1 minus 2 will be equal to, here the application is y2 minus 1 by x2 minus x1. 4 minus 0 by 4 minus 2. Therefore, this is reduced to 2. 2 gets cancelled. x1 minus 2 is 1. We should not make it a 0 here by mistake. It is 1. Okay. In the case of division, I get it to be 1. In the case of subtraction, taking 2 to the other side and subtracting, you get 0. Here I am dividing, 2 by 2 is 1. Now for x1 is 3. How to get the corresponding y1 value? Whenever I am thinking of the tangent and normal at a particular point, a given curve, the point will be point on the curve, point on the tangent, point on the normal. I drew and showed it to you in one of the videos earlier. Now for x1, y1 is a point on the curve. Now for it satisfies the equation. y1 will be equal to x1 minus 2 the whole square. x1 is 3. Therefore 3 minus 2 whole square is 1. The required point happens to be 3 comma 1. Therefore, if you want it in a full sentence, 3 comma 1 is the point at which the tangent drawn to y equal x minus 2 whole square is parallel to the chord joining so and so. Therefore, required will take care of this much of expanded version. Okay, required will take care of the whole condition given in the problem. Will take care of the whole condition given in the problem. Okay, now let me think about one more problem. Okay, for the curve y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x power 5 Okay, let me have it these things. Find all points. Find all points. Okay, at which the tangent passes through the origin. Tangent passes through the origin. Okay, this is again a nice problem. Okay, now as in the previous case, I assume let the required point be x1 comma y1. Now y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x power 5, which implies dy by dx is, this is 12x square minus 10x power 4. 4 3s are 12, 12x square minus 10x power 4. It's correct. Now listen carefully. Slope of the tangent at x1 comma y1 will be is equal to dy by dx at x1 comma y1. This is equal to 12x1 square minus 10x1 power 4. Okay, therefore equation of the tangent at x1 comma y1 is, what do I get? Y minus y1 is equal to 12x1 square minus 10x1 power 4 into x minus x1. Remember carefully. Okay, this is something like my m, slope m. Okay, name this is 1. I'm going to use this further. Okay, name this as 1. Now listen, 1 passes through origin 0 0. That is given. Okay, therefore I need to say 0 comma 0 satisfies 1. 0 comma 0 satisfies 1. Therefore I will get it to be 0 minus y1 is equal to 12x1 square minus 10x1 power 4 into 0 minus x1, which implies y1 is equal to 12x1 cube minus 10x1 power 5, which implies you get it to be 4x1 cube minus 2x1 power 4 is equal to 12x1 cube minus 10x1 power 5. Since x1, y1 is a point on the curve. Therefore, I get the LHS over there. Is a point on the curve. Let me bring everything to LHS. Minus 8x1 cube plus 8x1 power 5 is equal to 0, which implies 8x1 cube into x1 square minus 1 is equal to 0. Implies x1 cube is equal to 0 or x1 square is equal to 1. Implies x1 is equal to 0 or x1 is equal to plus or minus 1. When x1 is equal to 0, I get y1 is equal to 0. When x1 is equal to 1, y1 will be 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. Am I right? Let me just continue here. When x1 is equal to minus 1, y1 will be, let me substitute, what do I get? 4 into minus 1 the whole cube minus 2 into minus 1 to the power 5. Therefore, I will get it to be, let us say, I'll get it to be, what do I get? 4, this is anyway, this is minus 4, sorry, minus 4 plus, let us say this is plus 2. Therefore, this is anyway minus 2. Therefore, I get the points to be 0, 0, 1, what do I get? 2 and minus 1, minus 2. Yes, I get the required points to be 0, 0 and 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. I don't have space, therefore I am not writing the final step. I repeat the whole process. Find a curve y equal to 4x cube minus 2x power 5. Okay, for the curve, sorry. Find all the points that the tangent passes through the origin. I assume the required point to be x1, y1. Y equal to 4x cube minus 2x power 5. dy by dx is 12x square minus 10x power 4. Slope of the tangent at x1, y1 is equal to dy by dx at x1, y1, which is 12x1 square minus 10x1 power 4. The equation of the tangent at x1, y1 is given by y minus y1 equal to 12x1 square minus 10x1 power into x minus x1. I call it as equation 1. This tangent passes through the origin 0, 0 given. Whenever it passes through the origin, it will satisfy the equation. Therefore, wherever I come across y, I will replace by 0. Where I come across x, I will replace by x, I will replace by 0. Don't ever assume I am supposed to write x1, y1. X1, y1 is something like 0.00 or 5, 0 we have chosen already. Okay, we used to choose in most of the problems. Okay, now for I to replace only in the variable part, not with x1, y1. x1, y1 are constants in this case. Only the variable here is x and y. Now for instead of x, I should write 0. Instead of y, I should write 0. 0 minus y1 equal to 12x1 square minus 10x1 power into 0 minus x1. This minus anyway gets cancelled. y1 equal to 12x1 cube minus 10x1 power 5. But I can replace this y1 in terms of x1 because it's a point on the curve, it satisfies the equation. Now for 4x1 cube minus 2x1 power 5, which you might have written at the beginning itself. Okay. Now for bringing everything to LHS, minus 8x1 cube plus 8x1 power 5 is 0. Taking the lower power x1 cube, 8x1 cube as common, I will get x1 square minus 1 is 0. Therefore, x1 cube is 0 or x1 square 1. Now for x1 is 0, x1 is plus or minus 1. When x1 is 0, y1 becomes 0 minus 0, 0. When x1 is 1, y1 is 4 minus 2, which is 2. When x1 is minus 1, y1 is 4 into minus 1 whole cube minus 2 into minus 1 whole power 5. So it will become minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. Therefore, give the conclusion required points. There are 3 such points. Okay, 0, 0. It's already given anyway. I am getting that again as one of the points. Okay, then 1, 2 and minus 1, minus 2. This problem may be even given for 6 marks in your board examination. Therefore, try to understand how it is being done. Try to understand how it is being done. Okay, it's better for you to understand, may be given for 6 marks in your board exam. Okay, the highest mark questions in your CBSE board examinations. Okay, next, find the equation of the tangent and normal. Find the equations of tangent, okay, and normal to x square by a square minus y square by b square root 1 at x naught comma y naught. Okay, answer, just listen carefully. X square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Now differentiate. I am not going to write, I am going to differentiate directly. Okay, which implies 2x by a square minus 2y by b square dy by dx is equal to 0, which implies minus 2y by b square dy by dx is equal to minus 2x by a square. 2 gets cancelled. Okay, which will imply you dy by dx is equal to anyway x by y or b square x by a square y. Now slope of the tangent at x naught comma y naught will be is equal to, what do I get? I will substitute x as x naught, y as y naught. B square x naught divided by a square y naught. Now for equation of the tangent becomes, equation of the tangent is, what do I get? I get it to be y minus y naught is equal to, here it is b square x naught divided by, b square x naught, okay, divided by a square y naught into, I'll get it to be x minus x naught. Okay, cross multiply a square y naught minus a square y naught square is equal to b square x naught minus b square x naught square, which implies I'll anyway end up with b square x naught, okay, minus a square y naught minus a square y naught is equal to, in fact, a square, this is anyway, yes, this is taken to the other side, therefore a square y naught minus b square x naught square, a square y naught square, a square y naught square, this much, Let me divide throughout by a square b square minus a square y naught by a square b square, which is equal to y square by, am I going wrong elsewhere? Y square by b square minus x square by a square. There is something wrong here. 1 second. I am bringing this to, this is minus, this is plus. Sorry, this is plus, this is minus. Okay, sorry. Therefore, this will become minus, this will become plus, which implies I'll end up with x naught by a square minus y naught by b square is equal to, this value is nothing but 1 because this is a point on the curve, therefore it satisfies the equation of the curve. Therefore, equation of the tangent now will become x naught by a square minus y naught by b square equal 1. Let me repeat up to this. X square by a square minus y square by b square equal 1. Now for 2x by a square minus 2y by b square dy by dx is 0. Minus 2y by b square dy by dx is minus 2x by a square. Now for dy by dx becomes minus b square x by a square y. Slope of the tangent x naught comma y naught becomes b square x naught by a square y naught. Now for equation of the tangent y minus y naught equal to b square x naught by a square y naught and x minus x naught. Okay, cross multiply a square y naught minus a square y naught square equal to b square x naught minus b square x naught square. I am bringing this to the other side. B square x naught minus a square y naught is equal to, okay, I am bringing this here. B square x naught square minus a square y naught square. I am dividing throughout by a square b square. Therefore, b square x naught by a square b square minus a square y naught by a square b square is equal to minus y square by b square plus x square by a square. Here b square gets cancelled, a square gets cancelled. Now for x naught by a square minus y naught by b square is equal to, this is 1 because it's a point on the curve, it satisfies the equation of the curve. Okay, now let me rub this off to get equation of normal. Okay, let me rub this off to get equation of normal. So equation of normal is, equation of normal is, what do I get? Y minus y naught is equal to minus a square y naught by b square x naught into x minus x naught, which implies b square x naught y minus b square x naught y naught is equal to minus a square x y naught plus a square x naught y naught, which implies a square x y naught, okay, plus b square x naught y is equal to a square plus b square times x naught y naught, which implies I will get a square x by, I will divide by x naught y naught by x naught plus b square y by, here x naught gets cancelled, y naught is equal to a square plus b square. Okay, that is the final answer as far as the normal is considered. The answer is given, let me just check quickly. 6.3 question number 24. 6.3 question number 24. Okay, he is further simplifying something else. Sorry. Let me check it again. Y minus y naught is equal to, here it is negative of the reciprocal, minus a square y naught by b square x naught x minus x naught. B square x naught y minus b square x naught y naught equal to minus a square x y naught plus a square x naught y naught. Therefore, I am bringing it here, x square x y naught plus b square, a square x y naught, sorry, plus b square x naught y is equal to a square plus b square into x naught y naught. Dividing throughout by this, a square x by x naught by b square y by y naught equal to a square plus b square. This is also correct. In what textbook, he has brought this down and he has added. The book answer is y minus y naught by a square y naught. Okay, plus x minus x naught by b square x naught is equal to 0. That's what is given in the textbook. That is also correct. Okay, both are correct. The easy way to remember here is, I'll write this as only for the tangent, not for normal. I'll write this as x into x, I'll replace 1x by x naught, x naught by a square. I'll write this y into y, 1y by y naught, y minus y naught by b square equal to 1. Easy to remember. Okay, only for tangent. not for anything else. Okay, for circles and ellipse like this, you can easily remember the step over there. I'll write this x square as x into x, replace 1x by x naught. Y square as y into y, replace 1y by y naught. Okay, anyway, we'll continue in the next video. Thank you students for patient watching. In the above recording, in one of the places, x naught square by a square minus y naught square by b square equal to 1. By mistake, it is written as x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. In the calculation of finding equation to the tangent in the case of a hyperbola, make the correction and learn. Thank you.